Nightfall forced rescuers in St. Elizabeth to abandon their search for the driver of a Mazda pickup truck that plunged into the Black River in the vicinity of the Lacovia Bridge. As you'll hear in this report, a young male who was a passenger in the ill-fated vehicle is currently being treated at hospital.
Divers on a search and rescue mission. They'd been at it for hours, searching for the driver of a Mazda truck which plunged into the Black River sometime after 11 o'clock Friday.
The firefighters are here at the moment assisting as well, and they are working assiduously to have the man rescued.
However, it has been a difficult search, with neither the man nor the vehicle in sight. One diver with whom we spoke told us why he was aborting the mission.
When I go down there and see the current I water, because I say I do every day, so I feel the current, I say, now I go see this, I start search bottom side. But the current strong. Nothing now go sit on the bottom of my water, and I care how heavy it is. The water will take it go with it. So, I give up, I give up. I can't go down in the deep, so every day I dive, you know, so I must know, so I can't eat deep. So you have to get one tank to go and wait till the water drop lower.
Onlookers say there was another male in the vehicle.
I run go down to the riverside and him kind of swim and come at the side and I take him out on the level and help him up and put him in a one dumping shot to sit down, and right now I'm trying to go to the hospital at the same time.
This was not the first time there's been an incident of this nature in the vicinity of the Lacovia Bridge. The bridge itself has been in a dilapidated state for years. Crashes over time has left it without railings, and the promises to fix it have been broken time and time again. But newly elected MP for Northwestern St. Elizabeth, Andrew Morris, gave this assurance.
And I personally will be advocating strongly for something to be done about this bridge, because it has been like this for a little while now and it must be corrected.
Prince Moore, TVJ News.